What's the timestamp on that one?
Unless it's at the bottom.
It's not even noon yet.
11:23.
And we're already having problems with something.
This one's 10:39. What the f?
Let's live in the moment.
Oh, okay.
Oh, was that the gas maybe? Like,
Probably.
because it says $15.
I think
that was the
you
gas.
guys are overthinking.
It says 15 on there.
So much.
Try it.
Overthinking
Try it.
so much.
Yeah. I know.
Look at that.
They always try and create problems.
People try to I can't think of the word.
There we go.
Jock me.
The women thought that it was a great idea to go hiking this morning.
It really is. It's a beautiful day out.
Since we're whipped, we decided to go along. And Justin
Wait,
is just a good friend, so that's kind of how it is.
I only agreed because they bought me a Boston cream.
That's so sad.
Alright.
I was like, oh, wow,
Alright.
look at the packs.
I was so mad this morning though, waking up. I was like, nah, this is not happening, nah. They're reopening all the barber shops and everything, huh?
So they say.
My barber texted me this morning. He sent me a link to make an appointment and stuff. But he said I'm not completely back yet. But I don't know, when are they trying to reopen all the salons and barbershops?
Well, they're technically open now.
It's supposed to be today, right? Mm-hmm. So anyway, we're going hiking. It's a pretty nice place actually. So I guess this video is about that. A place you can go to in LA when you're bored. How's that cream all up in your mouth?
Wow.
Filling. Look at her moves. Look at the moves. Look at the moves. Ain't gotta go nowhere to get to the loot. I better get ready, I'm dropping the roof. I always feel like I got something to prove. Always hit, always fresh, always ready to get cash. Always hit, always fresh, just looking effortless. Well, looks like I can't get out, so I'll see you guys after you're done.
Stay safe. Don't
Man.
It was a purple bag, but I didn't like it. The light purple.
I tried to find it because I was like, this would be cute.
Yeah. This is the last one.
I got out.
You got it. That's your stretch for the hike.
What does he have in there that you have to look like that? Okay, team, ready?
Well, you know if you walk black on top.
And go!
Always hit, always fresh, always ready to get cash. Always hit, always fresh, just looking effortless. 2009, when I didn't even have a mic. Using a webcam wasn't mine. Took it from my pop. I refused to stop. I was lit, I was making hits. So cold outside, you step out and you couldn't breathe.
You have a workout shirt with your name on it, Justin? That's a little conceited.
It was a gift. It was a gift.
From me to me. I always tell Takeo when I bring something new home, she's like, what is this? I was like, it was a gift. From who? From my company to me.
But it has to change, we're popping in LA now. It's only cold on my neck now. Fighting every night and grind, I don't know how. The paddock showing me a different type.
I don't understand why people like hiking. We've been here for a couple of days now, and I don't feel anything.
It's taken us 26 minutes to do 0.8 of a mile.
You said this is nice? Who are you?
British. We like rambling, but naked. That's what it's called, naked rambling.
What does that mean?
Elaborate,
I
please.
guess in England we have something called naked rambling. I've never partook in the experience, but I'd give it a go probably one time.
But what is it though?
It's just like going walking in like woods and hikes, but naked. All you have is a stick and a backpack. It's like going to the naked beach, you know. Have you ever been to a naked beach? Anybody?
Nope.
Anybody been to a new beach? I feel like that's enough.
Say that again?
Been to a new beach?
Wait, what?
Have you been to a new beach?
No. Oh yes, I have. In Santa Barbara. Yep. So
Shit, there's one so
yeah,
close.
so it's a private beach. So my mentor's mother-in-law has a estate in Santa Barbara. And that estate, along with all the other estates, they have a private beach. And so he's like, oh, you want to go for a morning run? We were there for a strategy session for the weekend. And so we're running, and he's like, oh, by the way, this is a new beach. Oh. And I was like, but like no one was really on the beach.
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
And so we're just running. Then I was like, "Oh, you've been a nude beach," because it was like, and they were like just chilling. All right, come on. How low can you go? Woo! Can you go down low? Hey! How low can you go? Woo!
Missed it.
Don't slip, don't slip.
Look at the moves, look at the moves. Ain't gotta go nowhere to get to the loot. I better get ready, I'm dropping the roof.
Help me. No.
Nathan, if you get...
See, no, to get shot sabotaging.
Oh, Nathan, I don't think it's a great idea.
Do it!
Oh my God!
Oh!
Sarah, please be careful.
You can do it.
Balance your arms. Balance. That's what I'm talking about. Oh! Whoa! That one.
Trying to dry it a little bit. Philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Cool boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come on? Watch me while I check the bonnet. Dixon pop it, what's to stop a check from me tonight?
Oh!
3, 2, 1.
We are at an impasse.
We have boom, boom,
What are you
boom.
gonna do?
Parkour. It looks nice though. Ooh. Okay, I take it back. This is probably my #2 favorite hike so far. Yeah. What's my #1? When I climb up on the couch. What the hell are they doing? They're really swimming in that puddle? This is awesome. Oh my God.
The problem is getting down.
Justin will catch him.
Oh God.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Oh, I just looked.
Oh God. Don't look, y'all, don't look. Don't look.
And they're wearing veins.
We were strawberries, but it became a puree.
Cool, make a cocktail.
Right? Strawberry marg. Right, we'll save that for later.
I'll show you something.
Show us what?
I don't know if I can still do it.
No, don't do it.
No, if you don't know if you could do it, don't do it.
Okay, wait. We're gonna do a quick test to see if you're ready.
And you're like 30.
Slaps him.
Last time you did it, how old were you?
17.
25?
Early 20s, maybe.
Early 20s? Okay, no, you're not ready.
You're 30.
Yeah. And watches your wrist bone.
What are you trying to? Okay.
Take a picture of me like that.
I just did,
Thanks, man.
I think.
Wait, we're in the background.
Good for nothing. Wide.
King of the rock.
All right, we're pretty much done. Okay, almost there.
But are we though? Are we almost there?
Oh my God, I'm so happy to see the gate. Oh my goodness, we did it. Team?
Team.
I don't know what order we did last time.
It doesn't matter.
Justin was on top.
was last. And let's go.
Margaritas.
Careful, careful, don't damage your tires. Oh, we parked really far away too, huh?
Look at the moves. Look at the moves. They gotta go nowhere to get to the loot. I better get ready, I'm dropping the roof.